Imagine a spaceship heading to the moon in a few years. But right now, anyone can buy a ticket to be one of its passengers. The interesting part is that this ticket currently costs $70,000. But many believe that when the spaceship starts registering passengers, the price will soar to 1 million. Would you buy a ticket under such conditions? I don't know about you, but I certainly would. Each ticket represents a Bitcoin, and the spaceship symbolizes the events that will drive its price up to 1 million. When someone buys a Bitcoin, they become a potential millionaire, a passenger on the spaceship. They are investing in the future, because the crypto market is growing and becoming more popular every day. Europe, half of the African countries, the USA, Australia, many South American countries, and even Iceland allow cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. Look at this map. It shows all the places where you can go to a cafe, book a hotel or buy something with Bitcoin. Now let's talk about why many believe this cryptocurrency will grow tremendously over time. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency, and its creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, whose identity is still unknown, was a remarkable genius. He embedded a deflationary mechanism in the coin. This means that in the long term, the price of this cryptocurrency will only increase. Do you know how much Bitcoin has risen since it first appeared? It has appreciated by almost 10 million%. The first factor aiding Bitcoin's growth is its limited supply. The Bitcoin blockchain algorithm has a total supply cap of 21 million coins, including mined and unmined ones. This means that the supply doesn't increase, but the demand continuously grows. The second reason for growth is halving. Bitcoin is mined using special equipment that solves complex problems. The reward for solving these problems is Bitcoin. The reward amount is constant, but it halves every 4 years. Initially, miners received 50 bitcoins per block. Now they get only 3.125 bitcoins. There have been 4 halvings so far, making each coin harder to mine. Another reason is the influx of institutional investors this year. This means Bitcoin will become even scarcer, and its price could skyrocket. Jesse Powell, the CEO of the Kraken exchange, believes Bitcoin is digital gold and that its price will rise to $1 million as its popularity increases. ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood told CNBC that the price could soar to 1.5 million by 2030. These predictions have merit, though they seem sometimes outlandish. After all, Bitcoin is currently around $70,000. Grayscale, Fidelity, MicroStrategy, and many other companies have been investing in Bitcoin for a long time. For example, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, considers Bitcoin the most reliable asset for preserving capital. His company invested in Bitcoin even when its price was plummeting. In the second quarter of 2021, the company's loss due to Bitcoin's drop was about 300 million. Yet now MicroStrategy has nearly 7.5 billion in unrealized Bitcoin profits. Cryptocurrency isn't just impacting individual companies. It's been integrated into entire economic sectors and even legalized as official currency in some countries. In 2021, El Salvador's progressive president, Nayib Bukele, signed a law fully legalizing Bitcoin in the country. Since then, unemployment has decreased, citizens' incomes have risen, and tourist numbers have increased by a third. Argentina is now considering full cryptocurrency legalization as well. Officials are consulting with El Salvador's financial regulators. These countries see Bitcoin as a solution to inflation. Bitcoin's popularity is further boosted by technologies bridging traditional finance and cryptocurrency. For instance, the Lightning Network allows you to pay with cryptocurrency at store terminals with almost negligible transaction fees. This improvement brings Bitcoin closer to the public and contributes to its value growth. Jack Dorsey, the creator of Twitter and Square, believes the Lightning Network is Bitcoin's future. making it accessible to everyone. Another significant boost for crypto comes from its integration into popular payment systems. Visa allows you to convert cryptocurrency to fiat and make payments at 130 million merchants accepting Visa cards. Your bank card links to your crypto wallet, and at the point of sale, the required amount of cryptocurrency is deducted to cover the purchase in dollars. There is no need to exchange cryptocurrency for regular money manually. MasterCard also offers such crypto cards, and soon other payment systems and banks will likely adopt crypto payments in their services. Even the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has legalized Bitcoin in the stock market. At the start of the year, they approved all applications for Bitcoin ETFs, enabling any investor to buy Bitcoin shares through any broker. The total net inflow into these securities since approval has exceeded $15 billion, an unprecedented growth rate. Following the SEC's approval of Bitcoin ETFs, Bitcoin itself rose by 66%, boosting the entire cryptocurrency market. Recent years have shown that even the strongest economies can suffer from inflation, and the most robust traditional financial instruments can be unstable. For example, after the COVID-19 pandemic, financial markets plummeted, causing investors to lose hundreds of millions. Conservative strategies offered no protection. Just look at Warren Buffett's company, a legendary investor. You'll find regular news about his billion-dollar losses. Yes, the crypto market also has its challenges, but it remains resilient through various crises and continues to enrich people. Paul Tudor Jones, a well-known investor and founder of Tudor Investment Corporation, said about Bitcoin, "Bitcoin is the best hedge against inflation, and its price could rise significantly in the coming years." I completely agree with him. All these factors create favorable conditions for Bitcoin to reach a value of $1 million. Imagine the day when Bitcoin hits $1 million and you bought it for 70,000. You'd be a winner, having taken a very affordable trip to the moon compared to those who will buy Bitcoin at 500,000 or even $1 million. A small clarification from me. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. Not everyone has 70,000 bucks, right? Bitcoin can be divided into smaller parts, so you can purchase as little as $100 or even $10 worth of it. It's like the dollar, which is divided into 100 cents. This division is very convenient, allowing everyone to afford a small spot on the moon with other Bitcoin investors. So when can we expect such a meteoric rise? It won't be this year or even next year. It's believed that Bitcoin will reach $1 million between 2028 and 2032. So now is the perfect time to start understanding cryptocurrency, where to buy and store it, and how to work safely with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next millionaire who started buying Bitcoin piece by piece in 2024.